I got so many goodies. I got so many goodies. You want to see what I got? Keep watching this video. Hello everybody, this is Jennifer Trees and welcome to another awesome video by me. So today I am doing an unboxing, yet another one. Yay! BH Cosmetics, this is for you. So what I did is I ordered lots of good stuff, and this is my second haul that I have, or second order that I've done from BH. I was very impressed with the very first time that I ever tried their products. If you did not see that very first video, go check it out now. That's like a review of the first products that I had gotten. So with this one, I wanted to do an unboxing. So first I'm gonna show you everything that I got. There is some things in here for you, so you want to see what it is. So it comes with this like military looking paper. It just reminds me of stuff like that. I guess they wrap up the pallets in this stuff. So I'm gonna set the pallets over here for 1 second. Let's see what else is in the box. So some of the stuff I got, I did get 2 of these. I've heard that BH Cosmetics has really good brushes. So this is a flat shader brush, okay? Let's see what this feels like. I really like the smaller brushes. I don't know, I like them. I feel like they're better for packing on shadows and things like that. So this is the number 7 flat shader brush, and I did get 2 of them. So one is for me and one is for you. This will be a part of my giveaway. So we're gonna make 2 separate piles, one for me and one for you. So also, I have been wanting to try, I kind of wanted to get some things that I have not previously tried from BH. So this is their eyeliner. This is their black liquid eyeliner, because I do the cat eyes, so, or the wings or whatever. So this is their version of that. Now that is a really wide tip. I mean, it's really wide and then it gets really skinny, so. All right. It seems, I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to do like a wing with this, but we'll see. So we'll try that. Oh, also, if you have not ever ordered from BH, they are a cruelty-free brand, so that is a plus. So also, the next thing that I ordered, I got several lip products. So I got some for me and I got some for you. So, okay, this is, I don't know what's what. This is the Illuminate by Ashley Tisdale. She does have a whole line of products, and there was tons of really good reviews on all of her products. I personally had never heard of it. I did get this for you, so I'm not gonna swatch it or anything, but I just want to kind of show you. This is, I'm not even gonna open it. It's the Hibiscus Enhancing Lip Gloss. It's like a shimmery, pinky, like a really pretty pink color, I think. Will be really good for you guys. This is, and it's enhancing, so I think it's like a plumper type thing too. So that is good. So this is for you guys as well. Now for me, instead of the Ashley Tisdale, I just got the regular BH Cosmetics brand lip gloss, High Shine Gloss. The first color of the lip gloss that I got is called Gwen, and online it was showing like it was very orange. It showed orange, but here it does not look orange at all. It's a nude rose lip gloss. It looks pink. So let's do a little swatch. Right here. It's a pretty color. It smells good. It's just not what I was expecting, because online it was like a bright orange and I was like, yes, let's try something different. This is like a normal kind of pink color. It's almost real similar to the hibiscus that I got for you guys. So I will try that. Now this one is Josie, and this is another one online. It looked like it was straight up like lavender, like a purple lip gloss color. So let's see what this looks like. All right. I feel like the pictures are not, they're not accurate, because again online it showed to be a very purple color, and I was expecting to get something a little bit different. Purple, like a bright purple color. This is Josie. It is, I mean, the pigment is okay. Let's see the swatch. And they all have the same smell. It smells good. This is the Josie, Josie, or however you want to say it. It's like a purpley, it's more of like a really bright pink in person. Yeah, I don't know. I will try them on, actually, you know what, let's try the purple one on right now so we can kind of see what it looks like. So of course this is not going to be accurate, but you kind of get an idea. Now it's not a whole lot of color over top of the dark, but just kind of like a glossy, more gloss than pigment. The next thing that I got is a floral blush. I have been wanting to get a blush from them. Also, I am just about out of the blush that I have. That is pretty. It's a floral, it's, take that off. It's kind of has, it's like this is like a darker one, and this is like a lighter. You can see two different tones there. So we'll have to try that. Let me get a brush. All right, so for the blush, I'm gonna try this. I'm just gonna kind of go in the middle of the two. Ooh, that is like super bright. Look at that. Holy crap. That's very, very pigmented. Oh my gosh. Maybe I shouldn't be putting this on over top of already blush that I have on. I look like a baby doll. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's too much. I look like I just put makeup on for the first time. Okay. I'm just gonna have to do something later to cover that up. This side's pretty. Okay, so lesson learned. If you do try the blush, it is very pigmented. It is a good blush, just very little bit. You don't need a whole lot, which is good because it will last for a really long time. So that is a plus. So now we get into the palette. And again, more stuff for the giveaway. All right. Yes, yes, yes. So, this is really cool, okay? This whole palette was free. The first time, actually every time, okay, this is my second time. Not every time, like I've done it a lot, but the second time. So when I have ordered from BH, I get a free gift. So I guess if you spend a certain amount, you just get a free gift. So last time I got the little small eyeshadow palette for free, and this I got a whole blacklight highlight 6-color palette for free. And this is really huge. Like this is, I thought it was gonna be small, but this is really exciting. Okay, so it says total net weight is 1.52 ounces. Each thing is 43 grams. Holy crap. Okay, so it comes, of course, with this on it. Look at that. Wow. You really can use these as a blush too if you wanted. And it says highlights. Okay, let's go with, let's try, and they are a little shimmery. They're not super shimmery, like over the top shimmers. There, you see that? I'm not flipping you off, I swear, I'm not. It's just a finger that I'm using. Let me see. Oh, I see it, you see that? Alright. And that is, okay, very cool. That is this light color. So I'm definitely going to have fun playing around with this. So thank you, BH, for the free gift. That is really, really amazing. That's so awesome. Okay. The next thing that I got you, if you have seen my last BH Cosmetics review video, you would see this. I'm not even taking this out of the box. It comes with the box. Everything's completely still sealed. This is the Modern Matte 28 color eyeshadow palette. I already have this. I use it regularly. It is amazing, amazing eyeshadow. So if you are interested and you want to see any swatches or any eyeshadow eye makeup looks with this palette, I have a couple of videos that I have already done on that. Check out my channel, or I will link some of them up here or at the end of the video. So this is for my giveaway because I have genuinely enjoyed this palette so much. I wanted you to try it out too. So this is for you. And then I got one for me too, because you know, I have to get some for me too. One for you, one for me. That's just, okay. Anyways, so this one I'm so excited. These colors looked so gorgeous online. This is their brand new, just launched June the 8th, 2018 for the Aurora Lights palette. I don't normally go for the baked eyeshadows, as in like this style pans, but these colors are just, oh look, it has one on here too. These colors are so gorgeous. They're all shimmers. It's just a huge, beautiful array of colors. And what I am going to do, I'm not swatching these right now, but I will be doing a separate video where I'm just gonna have a whole look that I'm doing with this palette, and I'll swatch all the colors and everything for you. So I'll do a whole review on this palette by itself, separate, very soon. Because I can't wait to try it. So yes! So to recap for you for the giveaway, you have the eyeshadow palette, you have the Ashley Tisdale Illuminate color lip gloss in Hibiscus, and you have a flat shader brush, 7 BH Cosmetics brush. So those 3 I got for you from BH, as well as what I'm giving you from the Allure box, as well as what I had already previously bought for you, which you don't know. So I will be doing that announcement video very soon. Just stay tuned. I have so many videos coming up, so just keep an eye out. I have a lot coming up for you in the future. I will be doing a whole announcement video showing you everything that I'm doing in my giveaway. So stay tuned for that. And if you like this stuff, if there's anything you specifically want me to try out or you want to see, let me know. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome videos. And I will see you on more next